Hello guys, today I'm going to be making a video showing a tutorial on how to change your white DRLs to the amber DRLs on a 2020 to 2024 Ford Explorer civilian model. So make sure you get yourself one of these for Forscan, the OBD2 to USB for your computer. Make sure you get your Forscan downloaded and you get the license key. I'm not going to show you how to do that because you should already have that done. But in short, you got to go to here and the most bottom tab and get your license key set up and all that. And you got to put in your license key because you can't do this without having a license key for the software. But after you do all that, get your OBD2 plugger in. Well, actually, I'll show you if you don't know where it is. Mine's a little messed up from the dealer because they installed a location GPS system, but just so you know, I didn't do that, so I still gotta fix that. I don't know why they sold it like that, but just plug it in. It won't light up or anything yet. I know it's a little wobbly, but if it's all the way in, as you can see. That's all that matters. You'll get your other side. Get the heat going in here. Grab your computer with Forscan open. And actually, I believe, yeah, my license expires in 7 days, so I don't think there's anything else I need to do, but I think you can keep renewing it too. I don't think there's a limit on how many times you can renew it, but you'll just plug it into your computer, laptop, and as you can see, there is on there, it says MS and HS. Put it on MS to start, I believe. Should be MS. But then you'll go to, doesn't really matter where you are, but I prefer to be on the topmost tab, because then it shows you everything that you need to see there. And then you'll go to the bottom left, you'll hit this link icon, or actually it's HS. Sorry about that. Have it in HS, which on this particular module, it's the one on the right. Sorry for the glare on the screen. Then, okay, once you have it on HS, it'll do all this. Make sure it's got your vehicle correct. Then it'll ask you if it has an HS-MS switch. Yes, it does. Then you'll switch it to MS. It asks you to switch to MS. Then you'll click OK. And then it should be all green from there. If yours does like yellow and red, then that means there's something wrong with your actual OBD2 module down there, and just keep trying until you get it. I've had that happen before. I don't know if it's because of the cheap cord or something, it's not connecting well, but you might need to try a couple times if it does that. But it should look all green when it does it right. The green checks. And then you'll go down here to this processor looking thing. It's just the programming. Then you'll go into here. Then you'll go into BCM or body CM. This one right here. Do not go into the as-built format. But also, just a tip before starting any of this, make sure you save. So if you ever do screw something up, you can just go back. But you'll go into the BCM, you'll click BCM, then click this play button down here. Make sure it's on HS. You'll have to switch it back. Then you'll click OK. And now I already have the programming done, so just pretend that all my stuff is what you have, but I'll show you. And then, yeah, I need a new battery. But after you do that, it'll like, you'll hear it click and stuff, and it'll show you that it's connected to the system. And then basically just type in turn. And so also make sure you put front LED turn outage to disabled, along with both of the top outage. Make sure it's disabled. Both of these two, make sure they are disabled, because when you change it to the amber DRL, it'll detect it as the bulb is out, and it'll flash fast. So make sure you have that disabled. And then the front turn left front turn lamp usage, you're going to click on this, double click, make sure it is on turn DRL and position. I believe from the factory it's on turn only, so make sure you switch it to 4, turn DRL position. And then you're going to do the same thing for right front turn lamp usage. Turn DRL position. Make sure it's on turn DRL position. Okay, so now your amber lights are used as DRLs instead of just turning. And then now we need to get rid of the white DRLs. So we'll go to type in DRL and then go down. I mean, you can do whatever you want first, but left front DRL lamp usage, put not used. And then same thing with right front DRL lamp usage. Make sure it's on not used. This will disable that white DRL completely. And then just a demo of, or actually let's wrap this up first. But okay, so now you're done with the programming, everything's done. And then make sure after you select all those, you press right in the bottom left, and that'll apply everything. But since I didn't change anything, I don't have anything to do, but it'll just ask you to confirm, and then yes, and then you'll hear it click again, and then it'll show you that everything's done, and then you'll have the amber DRLs. But that should be everything in here. Just that major thing. Make sure you have the outage set to disabled, because it'll flash fast, because it'll think it detects an outage. And I'm sorry that the camera is very blurry. I can't help that. I think it's just the way my computer screen is. But after that, you can hit this stop button in the bottom left. And then it'll close everything safely. Nothing will get damaged. And then you can go ahead and disconnect your USB. And you're done with the computer part. Take that out. And if you go out of the car, I'll just put these on. Let me turn the fog lights off. But with the headlights, okay. And just an FYI, the turn signals do still work. And just to prove it, you can see it. Hazards. But if your headlights are on, they do not work. So if you are in auto, I think if it's nighttime, they won't work. And if your headlights are on, see, like right now, they aren't working. But if you have the mirror, you technically still have a front-facing turn signal, so that's fine. But I just wanted to give you a heads up, because if it's on auto and it's at night and the headlights are on, the turn signal will not work. But right now it's daytime still. And I really do not know why my camera is doing that, but sorry. See? So as long as it's daytime and just the running lights are on, or you can even have everything off, it'll still work. But just wanted to give that heads up. But that pretty much wraps it up for this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll be sure to answer them as fast as I can. I think that wraps it up. Just let me know if you have any questions. And I'll also try to put a link to this in the description. If anybody wants to buy this specific one that I use in the video, it's been working really well for me. But that sounds good. I should probably need to get in there and fix that, but I'll do that later. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. If you want to see more tutorial videos, make sure to let me know what you'd like me to do next. And yeah, thank you.